Hey guys, welcome to another video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the freezer light. As you see, mine is blown out, so I got a new one here. I got it from Walmart. I'll post the link in the description. It's cheaper than buying the same exact bulb. So what you're going to do is reach back here and undo the bulb. Alright, so we got the old one out. It doesn't look like any of the LEDs blew out, so I'm not sure why it just stopped working. So now we're going to get a new one and put it in. Same way we took out the old one, that's how we're going to put the new one back in. And voila, the light's working again. So that's how you replace the bulb in your freezer. That's it for this video. Like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace.